it took you to get my glasses?
Lisa did not take a sip. Oh, I did take a sip.
I knew it! I knew it! My waiter does cheating. My waiter steals my drink. Cheater!
I think that is taking it, okay?
Bad waiter. We just surfed for the first time essentially, and what were our reactions to the surfing?
I was humbled a lot.
But it was damn fun!
Yeah,
We got slapped around, spanked around, harassed, whiplashed by the ocean, and we don't mind.
So,
It was amazing. We couldn't take videos because we were busy surfing.
and surviving.
That's also very true. We
Yeah.
died almost multiple times. But it was amazing. You can see a lot of people surfing still behind us. I'll show some footage of that.
Yeah, we were done.
Yeah. Have we ever done this shit before?
Sure, cheers.
After traveling hectic for almost 4 days, I know how to end my vacation, and that's with a luxury hotel stay. And that's exactly what I did. I'm at Granbell, Colombo, and the stay is not that expensive. I'm paying 6k, like around 6.5k for one night. And honestly, when you split it by two, it's just 3k, which is quite decent. And the room has a bathtub, guys. Yes, it does. That's what dreams are made of. I quickly give you a room tour. My room is messy because girls are girls in, and we have unpacked our shit already. So fuck y'all if you think that's bad. Room tour right now. Okay, this is the entryway, obviously. Little old me. I'm hella tired and tanned. We have a beautiful washroom. If you see our clothes, please ignore. That's the mirror, bottle. There's a whole shower area where, again, ignore. We have a bidet toilet, for fuck's sakes. It just opened on its own, guys. It just opened on its own. Then, moving on to the actual room, because that's where the money's out. Ta-da! It's pretty decent. The bathroom is like a transparent thingy, which is kind of weird, but that's what it is. TV, coffee and shit is there. There was the ocean view option, but which I didn't want to pay extra for because I was like, fuck this shit. So I got city view. But the ocean view is quite sick. Like my first proper Sri Lankan meal at Upali in Colombo, and the first thing we're gonna try is a fish cutlet. So chicken string hopper poultry with our hands, obviously. Now we're trying the appe parota. It's essentially a cheese and mutton filled parota. It looks quite well stuffed. Let's see how it goes. Even April and I'm being made a fool. I'm at this cafe and I ordered a tiramisu, and guess what they gave me? She got her cake. Where's my tiramisu at? I don't know. Is it coming? Is it loading? It's here. Yes. Thank you. It's infinity pool time. Shishti say hi. It's so good. It's all the ocean. It's all ocean. This is just all of the sea, guys. That's just deep. Paradise Road, and it's genuinely paradise for people who love home shopping. These coasters are so cute. They're so cute. Oh my god. Okay, bye.